everyone. I hope you all are doing great and reading some amazing books in this summers. And in today's video, I'm bringing you a great book which I'm recommending, and I'm sure you are going to like it as well, because this book is something that introduced me to a new genre altogether. And I've never read something like this before, so I think this is going to be something new for you guys as well. So if you find it new, if you find it interesting, definitely go ahead and do give this book a try. So let's get started with the video and see which book I'm going to recommend you. The book for today's recommendation is Once Upon a Blink by Pujit. It's a collection of flash fiction. Now, if you are someone like me who does not know what flash fiction actually are, flash fiction are actually short stories only, ranging between 1000 or 1500 words only, and they are like very short, 2 to 3 pages stories which you can like read in 1 or 2 minutes depending upon your speed, obviously. But they are like very short. They are like mini short stories, you can say, if you understand it better this way. The stories are only 2 to 3 pages long. Okay, short. So while I was reading this book, I was finding it quite refreshing and new for me, first of all because of the genre and the kind of stories that were written inside it. They were all very refreshing, and I had a great time reading this book, because personally I love short stories. They're always preferred when I am going through either like a reading slump, or when I'm not feeling like reading much, or when I am occupied with other work but I still want to catch up on reading. I think in those days reading books like this just feels like a savior for me, because I love reading. I cannot go a day without reading. That is how it is for me. Except the slump, I read every day. So this book can be easily preferred by you guys if you are also going through a reading slump, or if you just want something very quick and short and something fun and entertaining. There are a total of 130 short stories, and each story was so different, like I already mentioned. And I liked this book also because of the reason that not every story ended with, you know, happy ending. Not every story just showed that, oh, how beautiful this life is. I mean, like, life is beautiful, no doubt about that, but not every story, you know, have to end it like that on a very happy note. I mean, I'm also someone who likes happy ending, but I'm also someone who admires books and stories like these, because they show us the reality of life. They show us that not every time, you know, you get a happy ending, and that is not the ending. That is also there. That's just a part of your life which ends on a maybe bitter note. So for this reason I like the stories, because they just showed us the reality. They showed us that okay, life can be cruel, there is definitely injustice happening. And it also says, I think, that sometimes you have to learn from the bitter endings also. You cannot always just rely on happy endings and take inspiration from them. Sometimes bitter endings also make you stronger and tougher, and it drives you to take the action that is required on your part. So I think this is the best part I found in this book. Since I mentioned that this is a collection of 130 flash fiction, so you can just imagine how many stories are there and how quickly they end. And I'm someone who likes to connect with the characters, connect with the plot, in order to have, you know, an impact on me. So this is something which did not happen with me in this book. I did not connect with the characters, I did not connect with the stories that much, in a way that they did not leave an impact on me. So while the stories were very refreshing, very quick, entertaining for me, I really had a fun time reading those stories, and they also were very engaging for me. But at the end I feel that it did not really, you know, stick around for a very long time in my mind. Also because, you know, because of the story length, and also since there were so many stories, so there could be XYZ reasons for that. But I usually prefer stories that leave an impact on me, at least for some time. So this is the only problem which I had with this. Other than that, it was actually very fine. And also, since this was my very first time of reading this type of a book, I think I'm not completely disappointed. While reading this book, I also felt that the author's writing has immense potential, and maybe he should also write a full-length novel, and I would be so much excited and thrilled to read that book if he decides to write and publish it very soon. And because I just loved his observation, and let me tell you guys that it's not an easy task to start the story, to write the middle of it, and also to end it in just 2 or 3 pages, and sometimes even in 1 and 1/2 pages. So I think the author has done a brilliant job with that. Hats off to the author. I really appreciate how hard he has worked on writing something that not everyone is talking about, because the topics, the issues which he has presented through his stories are something unusual, and you will definitely feel that when you read this book. The writing style, however, is very smooth, very easy to understand and interpret. So I think everyone who is looking for a book that is a collection of flash fiction, that is very short stories, something that they can just read very quickly while they are on break, I think they should definitely consider reading this book. The book is available on Amazon. You can go ahead and get this book for yourself as well as for your friends and family members. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and keep reading.